Hello, welcome once again to the Brave Achievers channel. In our last video, we talked about design thinking and why it works. This video today will help us learn more about design thinking as we explore the 5 stages of design thinking. Before we jump in, kindly click on the subscribe button. One interesting thing about design thinking is it is an all-inclusive human approach to solving problems. Human problems require human-inspired solutions, and this is the core of design thinking. There are 5 stages in the design thinking process. These steps will guide you in formulating and applying human-centered solutions to complex problems. If you want to implement the design thinking process in your organization effectively, you must pay attention to these steps. First, empathize. How can you serve people effectively when you do not know them? Empathy stresses the need to identify the feelings and biases of your target consumer. At this stage, you employ surveys, user interviews, and following up on resources gathered from activities that involve your customers using your products. Empathizing helps you eliminate all assumptions about your customers to gain fresh perceptions about their actual needs. Second, define. Everything has a name. Call it by its name. The define stage is where you create time and enough room to develop, improve, and reframe the problem. You were to use the data collected at the empathize stage. Then, the data is unpacked and examined. This stage aims to find unique user problems, needs, and to paint a clear picture of the problem that you're trying to solve. Third, ideate. Think outside the box. Sounds cliche? Well, that is basically what happens here. Empathize and define creates the environment. Now let the ideas run wild. Make sure you have every department represented. You never can tell where the winning idea would come from. All ideas should be welcomed at this stage. Fourth, prototype. Great ideas can be overwhelming. But how do you know if an idea is truly great? Well, the prototype stage is how you find out. Allow the design team to come up with several toned-down versions of the product. These prototypes are then tested within the team or in other departments. You can even engage a small group of people. Sometimes, experts advise paper prototyping. When people see that the idea is still in development or just a stretch, they give better suggestions. They understand that you can still implement their observation. In conclusion, the design thinking process is an infinite loop most times. It never ends. Think of a website or an app downloaded from the store. How often do you get notified for an upgrade? These stages serve as a guide to be followed to get the most out of the process. For design thinking to work, your team must be able to halt, take action, and change course based on the information that the design thinking process gives you. Please stay tuned to our channel by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on your notification. Visit our website www.braveachievers.com to learn about our services, bootcamps. See you soon.